A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing good at home. And we have started our chapter, the respiratory system, that is related to our process respiration, in which I show you the video about our respiratory system, in which you come to know about the different parts present in our respiratory system. Now, come to its theoretical explanation also. The very first part of the respiratory system is air passes and the tubes. Now what do you mean by this term, air passes and the tubes? By which the air can pass, and this can pass by a little tubes present in the body. See, this is our respiratory system. Fine. So there is a present of the different kind of organs here. So the very first organ that is included in our body is what? The nose. First the air will enter into our body by our nose, right? So there is a presence of the hairs in our nose also. These hairs trap the dust particles present in the air to it, so that dust particle can't enter into our body. The next thing, there is a presence of the lining, a lining that is known as mucus present in our nose, which trap bacteria in this. वो किसको trap करेगी? Bacteria, so that the bacteria will not enter into our body and our body stay healthy. Fine. So this is about our nose, and the nose is the very first part of this, and there is a presence of the different blood vessels. Fine. The next thing come here is the next thing come here is what? The windpipe. Now the windpipe is also known as what? Trachea. And what is the size of this? This is of about 10 centimeter long and 1.5 centimeter wide. See, this is our windpipe. This is also known as what? Trachea. By this also the air enter into our lungs, right? So this is known as trachea, and there is a presence of the rings in the trachea that is made up from cartilage. हमने देखा था ना that there is a presence of the ring around the windpipe. वो किससे बने हैं? That is made up from cartilage. So in this way, this is about the windpipe. Now come to the next thing. The last part of the air passage, that is the bronchi and the bronchioles. Fine. So what these are? Further, the windpipe is divided into two tubes, and these two tubes are what? They are known as bronchi. Okay, and if we use a singular word here, this is known as bronchus. What it is? Bronchus. But for plural words, we use bronchi. And the two bronchi have the loops of cartilage. They are also made up from where? From cartilage substance. And this bronchi is further divided into the small tubes, small holes we can say. These are known as bronchioles. Fine. See here. This is our bronchi, and this is further divided into the small parts, small tubes. This is known as bronchioles. Okay. Next thing that we know, for remaining our body healthy and we get energy from food, and in the food there is a presence of some kind of proteins also, and there is a presence of the protein in the dust also, that will enter into our nose and directly affect our respiratory system, which causes respiratory problem, mainly asthma. So how asthma cause? Mainly asthma caused by the presence of the protein in the air effects due to the air pollution. The air particles that is polluted will enter into the muscles of our bronchioles, and this bronchioles will further causing what? Breathing problem, and this breathing problem is known as asthma. And for a person who is suffering from the asthma, he or she can take what? Inhaler. Why so? What is inhaler? Inhaler is a kind of medicine we can say, which provide chemicals to our muscles that is present in our lungs, to means our bronchioles, so that it will easy for us to take breathe in and breathe out. And in this way we are done with today's topic, the air passages and the tubes, in which the nose, windpipe, bronchi and bronchioles are related. Fine. So revise this topic. I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you.